Brent Zimmerman here with Midlands Home Inspections, doing a home inspection out in Omaha today. This afternoon, house about a 55-year-old home. Pull electrical panel cover here. We do have aluminum wiring in the home. Don't see it too often here in Omaha, but we do have it. Aluminum wiring is known to overheat at connections due to the fact that the aluminum expands and contracts. And we do have one breaker over here. If you can see this one here, the electrical line there has been overheated. The sheathing on it is melted on it, and we got some corrosion on there. So we definitely need to get this electrical system evaluated by a qualified electrician for the buyer so they can move into a nice, safe home. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.